to be like singing, but I know you back in town and it makes me think like so I guess I gotta talk right to you. Open my eyes, hung over around somewhere, gone to the phone. The only reason I did, cause I heard you knocking on my door. And I would like you to know that every moment's so picture perfect and Kodak. Trying to be the new me, get rid of the throwback. You probably heard this before. Get ready for the night, think it was round quarter to 10. The only reason I'm going out, cause I heard you was back again. And I would like you to realize I feel the same pressure and I know what it feel like. When people keep asking when I'm joining the real life, and I don't know to say to them. We all make mistakes, I'm trying to catch a break. But in the past away, it's better late than never to get together, whether or not I want to. Everything seemed alright tonight when I first hit the strip, but things start to change right away upon that first sip. Your return bittersweet, misery, love company, it love me. No romance or hold hands, I'm no fan of the same damn drama. Please change the program and say what you wanna. I try to play the background, but I'm a front runner. Come on, something stop me in the middle of my sentence. Dropped all my worries, never picked them up till now. The glass half empty, but it filled down. Put one shot at you when it spills out. What's the problem? I'm trying to figure it out. It's out my hands now. We all make mistakes, I'm trying to catch a break. But in the past away, it's better late than never to get together, whether or not I want to. Everyone says that I'm doing it wrong. Should follow the crowd and move it along. Take another drag and flick it away. Learn about tomorrow, I'm here today. I'm here today. I made mistakes and I'm running late. I made mistakes and I'm here today and I'm running late. We all make mistakes, I'm trying to catch a break. But in the past